What's up everyone? It's me again, I'm Ryan. Today it's my lucky day. Now you know why would I say this? Because I managed to complete my collections of the Cybertron Transformers animated series. And as you all know, these are one of the three most memorable figures that I could say they are worth getting. Now let's introduce Brushgut, which is the Decepticons. Now he holds the insignia of the blue key, which I almost forgot what it's been called as, but you can refer back my previous review. Well, mainly because I'm gonna focus on Overhaul. Now, Overhaul is from the Autobot groups, and this guy, he's happened to be the custom designed based on one of the movies. So the design, the paint is slightly different, which they call it Warpath. Now, as I must say that this guy and his name is Overhaul, and his cousin is Brushgut from the Decepticon, if you guys want to know. That's as far as I can tell. Most of my info is from Google, so that's the least I get to know. And he has this jungle cyberplanet key, and the paint itself, it's awesome. Since I'll be focusing on him, so let's talk about the paint. He has red windshield, red or orange, and same goes the front window, and here again. And they have this gold painted panel line on the door, as well as the car boot front at where you can see there's a stripe all around. And he has these red headlights with some of the spotlights which is yellow color. And at the top here, as usual, this is where the tire is on the trunk, and it's black color, and you see there's a little bit of light piping red translucent. So let's put aside. And he also comes with the missile, which is like orange, red, translucent, with the green translucent cyberplanet key of jungle. And this is the symbol of a bear claw. Same goes the fang. And the side, as you can see, is like a rock, silver type of rock paint. It's like this is the claw of the wrath of the bear grip, or a bear attack, you can call that. So yeah, and I managed to get him on eBay, and he also comes with this instruction book. One piece of a poster like instruction on the transformation to robot mode. So that's about it. And I also got this name card since I got it from him. It's from transformerland.com. Thanks again, and it's a great, wonderful purchase of Overhaul. So as usual for the transformation, just like previous video on the Brushgut and Warpath. So the first thing is release the claw from the back, open up the door from the side, and then unhook the legs from the hood, from the top, and then spread the legs open. Flip the feet from the back of the legs. After doing so, Now all you gotta do is turn his arms right towards the front, and lastly flip his head out and turn his head towards the front. A wonderful red light piping on his eyes and the back of the head. Awesome. Now all you need to do is push this missile right onto his chest. There you have it. Here's the robot mode of Overhaul. And what I like about him is he has this Autobot logo right on the left shoulder, and the chest is red, glowing, translucent, and he also have this red paint job right there on the corner of the rib of the chest, and the rest is like here is exceptionally gold painted waist and hips, and for the leg and the arms is like brown color paint, and silver paint right here on the chest. Same goes for the shoulder. That looks amazing. I'm gonna transform Warpath and Brush Cut into robot mode. So the same thing is, you can either flip his head out if you want, release the claw, and open up the door, unhook his legs, push it out, stand right out, and then spread it, and flip his feet right out to his legs and make his arms turn right towards the front, and there is Warpath. And just basically push this missile right at. Now the insignia is silver color, which is definitely one of the custom paint to show he's one of the movie versions of Warpath himself. Though he has this red blue eye popping, what I've said last time in my previous review. So there goes the Warpath in robot mode. Now lastly, there goes the brush cut. Same transformation, just flip his head out if you want. Release his claw, open up the doors, and then you can flip his arms out, and then unhook his legs from the top, bring it down, open up, split opened, flip his feet out, and there you have it. This is brush cut in robot mode, and same thing, push this missile right into his chest. Now if you mainly focus on these two, these are the main reason they appeared in the Cybertron of Transformers series. Now the head, the glowing of black piping is not that easily visible compared to the Overhaul. Now mainly because I think because it's a brighter color for the red compared to brush cut, where his headlight is like purplish light, and the light doesn't seem to shine a lot, though he does have a little bit of light piping right there, and yet Overhaul seems to be standing out pretty bright and pretty nice. I mean, in comparison, Overhaul looks much better than brush cut, and I love it. So there you have it, 3 robot modes, and I finally completed a great collections of them, the triplets, or you can call it the three amazing brothers. So we are happy, they're all broadfisting, and finally I'm happy enough that, you know, it's the best collection I ever get, and I hope you guys like it. And do remember to check my previous review based on the Warpath and Brush Cut. Well, this is to sum up the overall collection since I have Overhaul. And that's about it. I'm Ryan here. Remember, share, like, and subscribe. And if you got any feedback, anything you want to comment, remember, leave a comment right at the bottom of the comment box. And I'm Ryan here, signing off. Bye.